So today I'm here with Donnie, and we're going to talk about individual row hydraulic downforce. In this case, we're talking about Generation 2.0. IRHD 2 is obviously replacing our IRHD 1 versions. And really the big uptick on this is serviceability in the field or having the store come out and work on it. When you get these from the factory or as a precision upgrade, you'll actually get the ability to Bluetooth information to your phone and see some of the serviceability on these units. The other big thing with these is even though IRHD 1 was really great and it gave us that really great emergence and controlled a lot for us, right? We're getting a ton of different inputs from this, and it's even better with 2.0 now, right?
Yeah, so really Deere took a product, right, that worked fairly well and said, well, how do we make it so farmers can service it, they can work on it? This new one is Nitrogen-Rechargeable. It's a dual-piston system, which really spreads out the pressure when that unit hits a rock or faces those tough conditions in the field. And that's what really sets us above other products. What are some of the ways that a farmer can get this installed on their planter after they purchase it?
Right, it's a great question, Donnie. We actually have quite a few options for you guys out there. You can actually do this at your own home farm if you'd like. You can order the precision upgrade kit and either have it shipped here to the dealership and pick it up and take it home and install it yourself. The install instructions are serialized based on your performance upgrade, so really great detail on that part. We can actually, we can ship it to the John Deere field team at one of their facilities, and we can get you a quote on that if you need to see what that's gonna cost. You can have the store do it, right? We can ship the parts here. We can do it ourselves here at the shop, and then you can come pick up your stuff. And the last option we have also, and we can get you a quote on this piece as well, is the John Deere field team will actually come out to your facility. There are some caveats to that as far as it has to be heated and the right size, and some things have to be on site for that to happen. But it's totally plausible to get any of those options done. We try to have an option for everybody's need out there.
Yeah, so that's a little on the new IRHD system. If you have any interest at all, please reach out to your local Hutson dealer and we'll be more than happy to assist you.